Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And I am here in the bathroom of the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at the community yard sale for $30. I am working on the bathroom and this is video 3 of the ideas that I am sharing with you. I happen to have these pieces here which I am using as dividers, so they are closing off the section where the shower is. There is another video on the shower, so I will not focus on that today. I want to focus on these two pieces, and if I place them in the positions that they are, it gives a feel of a door here so that you can go in and go into the shower. I can also use this in this position or use both in that position. So I am thinking about that. Not sure yet, but I think it will be like this. So let's place this back the way it was. So there's a door here. You come into the bathroom, and then other things will take place here because we need a sink and all that stuff. And over here to the side I have one of these, but it's a different shape. This one I don't think I'll be using in here, but I wanted to show you what this really is. And I'm not sure if you can see it right there. It's a die cut embossing folder. That's what this is, and it's called a monogram. So I only have these patterns. I bought them at the not at the Dollar Tree, at the Goodwill store a few months ago, and they were, I think, like $3 each. But I think I bought all of them. There were just a few. But as I placed them there, I say to myself, wow, you know what? They really tie in to this creation, the bathroom creation. So, just a few things. You've probably seen my other videos in which I share the door and the lighting and that box back there. Well, that box came with the house, and I'm going to make it a cabinet. The door is just there. It doesn't lead anywhere. And this here is part of a curtain rod that comes in sections. This is kind of like pretty old. I have other ones that fit right into it, but I'm just using one piece here. So I wrapped the LED lights around it, and it's perfect lighting for this bathroom. So this is the idea, to separate whatever goes on here, separate it from that section. Okay, so I think that this will be it. Stay tuned for video number 4 on the next idea for this bathroom. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching.